What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Black Market back at you tonight with a quick market review. Just wanted to review some things with you tonight. This week is a special week. For those of you who do not know, this week is the quadruple witching week. And you're probably wondering what's quadruple witching. So here's a definition from Investopedia. Quadruple witching refers to the date on which stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock futures expire simultaneously, while stock option contracts and index options expire on the third Friday of every month. All four asset classes expire simultaneously on the third Friday of March, June, September, and December. So, as you can see, this happens 4 times a year. Essentially, you're going to have all these indexes and stock options and stocks, etc., expire on that Friday. So this coming Friday is the quadruple witching Friday. Um, Typically on a quadruple witching Friday week, on that week, the market's pretty lame. Much doesn't happen, and really the reason being behind that is, if you're in the money, if you're making money, you're going to be selling those options or selling those stocks, selling those contracts. So typically, there's a lot of back and forth during the week, and then after a witching week or quadruple witching week, the market's usually weak. That's typically what happens, but once again, you always don't want to have a bias. I mean, anything can happen. We could, you know, run up to 4,000 this week, which, looking at the charts, we're 20 points away right now. Or we could come back down and go back and forth, and just be volatile the whole week, or we could just dump. So it just depends on kind of what the market wants to do, right? So I wanted to do a quick overview of the overall market, and I wanted to look at the sectors I'll go after. So here's a quick review. As you guys can see, I've got my 21 up, and I've got the ES up as well. You can see we recently hit that brand new high of 39.78. So that's we're well on our way to 4,000 right now. If you look at the SPY, a couple of good things on the SPY is it's above that 21 and it's showing strength. We are kind of back and forth a bit in a bit of a zone. We did have a high today of 39 or 398.12, but you can see the last few days we've kind of been last couple of days this week we've kind of been in a bit of a zone here, and the Qs, which has been the story as of late, they have shown that strength. They've gotten above that 21 and managed to stay above there the last couple of days. But as you can see, we've been in a bit of a zone the last couple of days as well. So when looking at the VIX, VIX is definitely weak, which we definitely like to see. So the VIX is weak. It's, as of right now, it's not really showing any signs of gaining any strength, and it actually hit a new low today. So that's good too for the for future market strength. So when we're looking at sectors, a couple things I want to point out on the sectors here is, one, we've got XSD and we've got XLK, right? So we've got the semiconductor and the tech sector. Those were the two sectors, like I said earlier, like I've said before, that we needed to be strong in order for the market to continue its strength. So really the last last few days here, we've been able to close above that 21 EMA for semiconductors and for tech, and we're staying above there. You can see in both of these indices here, right? You see that 21 kind of starting to scoop up a bit. So we may be having some strength headed back up towards the upside on both of those sectors. So stocks in both of those sectors you want to watch, right? Your Nvidias, your Apples, your Facebooks. You want to be your Googles. You want to be tuned in on setups within those sectors. Overall, just kind of looking across the board, the market does look pretty strong as of right now, and it's being led by, like I said, semiconductors and tech. You can see finance, right? With finance was the leader, but we definitely had some sector rotation Typically, out of right now, we've had that sector rotation out of the finance, which was leading, um, and we've had that sector rotation out of energy, which was leading as well. And that looks like it's went back into tech and semiconductors, which we needed to do. So, like I said, no A plus setups this week. I'm gonna check first thing in the morning to see if something comes up. And if I end up trading tomorrow morning, I will definitely make a video and review that trade. So short and sweet tonight. Just wanted to get an update out to you guys. You guys have a good trading week. Have a good rest of your week. Talk with you later.